Hey guys, it's Veronica coming to you with a really quick video. I just left CVS. I am so excited. Like, I don't know how to act. Like, for real. I went and look at all the CRTs that printed out for me. It's like crazy. They must have known that I've been gone for like 2 months. So excited. Like, for real. I'm so happy to get back into couponing, but I only did one. I only went for one thing today. That's it, because I was trying to get home so that I can cook some brownies. I don't know why I'm craving brownies like crazy. Like, I'm not like a sweet person. I am sweet, but like when it comes to like have to have sweets, that's not me. But for some reason I just want some brownies today. But anyway, guys, so let me tell you about this awesome deal. You probably already heard about the deal that's going on with these one-a-day medley vitamins. Nature Medley. Okay, so I picked up 3 of these, and they have different ones. They have the ones for the kids, and they have the ones for the men. But I got 3 of the women because I need some vitamins in my life. So I went with just the women ones. But anyway, 28 gummies come in each one. But this week they're on sale for $5. Okay, $5 with your CVS card. Once again, $5. I think the regular price is like $5.99. This is the small bottles. This isn't the bigger ones. These are just the small bottles with the 28 count. So anyway, $5 with your CVS card this week. And we have these awesome $4 manufacturer coupons. Go to oneadayvitamin.com for this awesome coupon. It's $4 off, and it's a limit of 4 that you can do per day. 4 exact same coupons. So $4, and I think they also came in today's Smart Source, but my region didn't get these, so I had to print mine from offline. So when you buy 3 of these at $5 each, it's going to be $15. All right, so $15, and then I used 3 of the $4 manufacturer coupons, which took $12 off that $15, making it $3. And then I had a $3 off of 15 vitamin CRT, absolutely free for all 3 of these one-a-day with Nature Medley vitamins. I just don't know how to act. You know, I haven't couponed in a while, and then on top of that, free. That's for me. So make sure you get your one-a-day medley vitamins. Like I said, they're on sale for $5. Go to oneadayvitamin.com to print your coupons, or you can get them from yesterday's inserts, $4 off. Okay, the next thing I wanted to tell you really quick is they have a one-day deal at Food Lion going on this Friday, October 19th. So if you still have those $2 off Gain coupons and the $2 off Tag coupons, I think the $2 Tag coupons came in the P&G. Yeah, this month's P&G. And then the Gain $2 off coupons came out of yesterday's inserts. So the deal is the one-day sale at Food Lion starting Friday, October 19th. Gain and Tide is going to, a laundry detergent is going to be $2.88. You're going to use those $2 manufacturer coupon, and you're going to get those for 88 cents. Yes, Tide and Gain laundry detergent. The Tide is the 37 to 40 ounce liquid and the 12 to 16 count pods, and the Gain is the 50 ounce liquid or the 16 count flings. That's going to be on sale for $2.88 with your bonus card. So that's a great deal. So get ready for that if you haven't used your $2 manufacturer coupons for the Gain or the Tide yet. So hang on to those for that, and it is a limit of 4, so you can do that for you can get 4, like 2 Gains, 2 Tides, however you want to do it. But guys, I just wanted to come to you with a really quick video telling you about this awesome deal with these vitamins. So if you need vitamins in your life, make sure you go do this deal. All right, so I will talk to you guys later.